Alam nyo kung bakit ang daming relationship ang nauubos? Kasi imbis na i-heal yung trigger, iniiwasan. Pag-usapan natin yan, ano? Game? Tara, let's start. May mga tao proud pa, sinasabi nila na, uy, buti na lang hindi ko sinabi, baka matrigger siya. Hindi ko na lang ginawa para hindi siya magalit. Mag-a-adjust na lang ako para walang away. And that's not healing. Para kang hinostage niyan emotionally. Habang tumatagal, para kayong pareho niya naglalakad sa minefield. Pareho kayo nag-iiwasan, walang freedom. Walang tunay na sarili. Puro eggshells. Puro sana hindi siya ma-offend. Puro sana hindi siya mag-react. And eventually, mapapagod kang maging fake na version ng sarili mo para lang ma-manage ang emotions ng ibang tao. Kasi ito ang hindi naiintindihan ng karamihan. Triggers are not just dramatic reactions. They're not just OA lang. Ang triggers, yan yung brain mo na nagre-react sa present. Na parang bumalik ka sa past na wala kang safety, wala kang choice, at wala kang control. Kaya minsan, mapapansin mo, maliit na bagay lang, ang laki ng reaction. Hindi dahil baliw yung tao, kundi dahil yung body nila nagre-react sa pain na ang utak nila tinatry na mag-survive from. Pero ito ang matinding katotohanan, hindi habang buhay lahat ng tao mag-a-adjust sa wounds mo. Kasi if every conversation nagiging, don't say this, don't do that, don't challenge me, don't question me, hindi ka nag-heal. Gumagawa ka lang ng prison para sa trauma mo. At ang malala, ang iba, tinatawag yan na protecting their peace. Pero bro, hindi naman. Protecting your wounds yan. Hindi naman talaga komportable ang healing. Healing means, bakit ako galit? Bakit ako defensive? Bakit simpleng abandonment lang? Feeling ko, katapusan na ng mundo. Bakit kailangan kong kontrolin lahat para lang maging safe ang mundo? And that's work. Kasi mature love doesn't say, I'm gonna avoid every trigger that you have forever. Mature love says, I'll help you feel safe enough to face them so that they don't control your life. Because if nobody can be themselves around you, if they have to shrink themselves, if they have to tiptoe, filter their words, and manage your emotions, then your triggers are no longer wounds. They become weapons. Hindi ka naman masama nun, pero ang ibig sabihin nun, may healing ka pang kailangan gawin. Kasi ang goal ng healing, hindi naman yung hindi ka na matitrigger. Ang goal ng healing is, matitrigger ka pa rin, pero hindi mo na siya hahayaan na masira ka at masira yung mga tao around you. And that's growth. That's accountability. That's real healing. Diba? This your boy Pinoy Egay with another semi-pogi mindset. Peace out.